everyone, it's me Adriel. Hi lovely. So today I will be introducing myself, and that is my sister Adrian. Oy! No. So ayon, I am Adriel Grace Ramirez, magiging video maker, or di ko pa namang masasabing content creator kasi wala pa naman ako masyadong videos. So yeah, I hope you enjoy my vlogs, my videos, or my TikTok videos with my cousins. So mag-stay tuned kayo kasi meron kaming i-upload na parang series, na mini-series lang naman. Huwag kayo mag-expect na malakas siya or masyadong maganda. It's just a normal school series. Ako po ang mag-video, pero kasama din naman ako sa cast. Magbibigay ako ng kanilang names, Nadine and Akayla. So, stay tuned for my vlogs. See you later or tomorrow. Bye-bye!